So what researchers looked at here in regard to folate and peripheral neuropathy is they looked specifically at 12 separate studies covering 3,015 people to be exact. 3 of those studies being randomized controlled trials, the rest being observational. Yet the results were consistent and I should say, well, repeatable. So what we're looking at right here is folate in reference to peripheral neuropathy. Average dose was about 1 to 6 milligrams per day, and the results usually tend to basically be best at around 4 to 6 months, at least in regard to the length of these particular studies themselves. So let's get right into number 2. Now check this out, see the results. Folate to the rescue. Look at the drop in pain scores. That is quite remarkable. Also, too, look at this, check the symptom resolution. Now, one of the studies, for example, an 87.5% outcome in regard to resolution of symptoms in relationship to peripheral neuropathy. So without further ado, let's get into the study itself. Folate supplementation for peripheral neuropathy, a systematic review. Background. Peripheral neuropathy represents a considerable and rapidly growing global health burden, with diabetic peripheral neuropathy alone impacting nearly half of diabetic patients. Evidence from experimental studies highlighted that folate supplementation may protect nerve health by supporting myelin maintenance, minimizing oxidative stress, and enhancing neurotrophic factors. Nevertheless, its clinical efficacy and safety in managing peripheral neuropathy have not yet been established. This study seeks to evaluate the role of folate in managing peripheral neuropathy regarding the efficacy and safety endpoints. This